1, 2, 3, go! Please. He's giving me a Game Boy. Let me get a round of applause, please. That is so sick. You don't even see these anymore, yeah? For the younger generation, this is what we grew up on, yeah? This is an old school PSP and PlayStation 5 right here. Right, I'll give that back to you. I'm gonna count. So that reading was the biggest one that we've had so far. That was 137. Give him a round of applause, please. I'm standing back here because that is crazy. That is crazy. You know what the maddest thing is? I saw him trying so hard, I was thinking, God, don't let him down now. And then I heard that. Give him a round of applause, man. Fair play. You gave that the beats. You tried for that one. I love that. Now, the reading, 134.1. Now, again, I don't know if that's like anti-lag or if that's just the engine screaming. But it did sound insane, and that was very loud. Again, thank you very much for coming up, mate, and we're on to the next one. Oh. You know what? No, don't give him a round of applause, because he just looked in my eye like, I've won. Give him a round of applause, man. You know what? Do that again, man. Do that again. Give him a round of applause. Tell you what, I'm not even going to tell you what he's reading. And I'm going to let you know at the award ceremony at the end of the event. You guys, we still have entertainment, don't worry, I'm still going to be here. Next up, we have car limbo. Now again, what this is going to be, we're going to have the limbo in the middle of this stage, and each car is going to have to go